Hi, this is Bradley's Maths. Welcome. We're going to have a look today at this typical non-calculator exam question across all of the boards, IGCSE and GCSE. Find the equation of the line passing through the points 4, 6 and 2, 2. I'm going to assume that you've paused the video and tried it yourself, and now I'm going to go give you a fully worked solution. So the first thing we need to do when we're doing this is find the gradient. The gradient is defined as being rise over run. And the rise is the difference in y values, and the run is the difference in x values. So this is y1 minus y over x1 minus x, which equals. So I'm going to take this as being my y1 and this being my y. So we have -2 take away 6 over, this is my x1. x1 is in the same bracket as y1, notice. And this is my x. X is in the same bracket as y, so it's -2 take away 4. Which equals -2 take away 6 is -8 over -6. Negative divided by negative is positive. And 2 goes into both 8 and 6. So we end up with positive 4/3. That is the gradient. That's the measure of the steepness of the line. Okay, so far so good. We need now, or we can now, first of all, write down part of the equation. We know that it's going to be y equals 4/3 of x plus c. C is the y-intercept, and we do not know this yet. We can't see it just from the two brackets that we've got. We have to work it out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take one of these brackets, and I'm going to take this one, 4, 6, for no better reason than the numbers are different. This is -2, -2, and I don't want you getting mixed up with which -2 goes where. So we use 4 and 6. And we can say 6 is the y value, so that replaces the y here. So we have 6 equals 4/3 of 4 plus c. And we're going to work out what c is. All we have now is one unknown value, c. The rest are all numbers, so we can work it out. What I'm going to do is multiply through by 3, and this is a point where students often make mistakes. So please make sure that you don't. We multiply everything by 3. 3 6s are 18 equals, well, multiplying 4 times 4 by 3, 4 times 4 over 3 times 4 by 3. Gosh, the 3's cancel out and we get 4 times 4, which is 16, plus, and this is where the mistake often occurs, 3c. If you forget to put that 3 in there, then you're going to get this question wrong. You must remember that you're multiplying the c by 3. So a quick rearrangement, subtract 16 from both sides, and I get 2 equals 3c. Put this back into the normal side, so c goes here, and we get 3. Sorry, what am I doing? We get 2 over 3. Okay, so now we have y equals 4/3 of x plus 2/3, or little bit of rearrangement, multiply through by 3, and we get 3y equals 4x plus 2. Either of those are perfectly acceptable. They are both exactly the same things, and that is probably worth a good 3 marks on your non-calculator paper, and now you know exactly how to get it. Thanks for watching. Bye!